Hello friends, welcome to the Global Art Tech Studio. My name is Zanit Kuswaha. Today's tutorial, we will learn how to draw a realistic waterfall using just a pencil. This step guide will help beginners and advanced artists create a beautiful and natural waterfall sketches. Let's get started. First, you start outline the waterfall structure. Use HB pencil or 2B pencil to sketch a rough outline of the waterfall and draw the rock formation around it to give a natural look. Decide the flow direction of the water, just like a straight drop, multiple levels या curve lines. Start with light strokes to show how the water fall down. Keep some areas empty to create the effect of shimmering water. Use only 2B or 4B pencil to create rough texture of rocks. And shade the darker areas where the water meets the rocks. You observe, you feel the art look at real waterfalls. Notice the flow, the light, and the way of water interacts with rocks. The more you observe, the better you will draw. A realistic waterfall takes time. Layer your pencil strokes, blending gently and take breaks to see your work with fresh eyes. Art is not just about the result, it's about the journey. Let's each stroke brings you peace and joy. Keep drawing, keep learning, and never give up. Use smooth light strokes to add depth to the falling water and erase to create highlights and give a sparkling effect to the water. You have just learned how to draw a realistic waterfall with just a pencil. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more drawing tips. And if you try to these sketches, tag me on Instagram at @AnitKuswaha so I can check out your amazing work. Keep creating and I will see you in the next video. Happy sketching!